Hi, I'm Danielle Jacobs, and in this video I'm going to explain a little bit about pain. Specifically, I'm going to define pain, classify it, and explain a mechanism for persistent pain. So first of all, what is pain? The International Association for the Study of Pain says that pain is an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage. Explained a different way, pain is a signal from your brain that your tissues are under threat and that you need to do something to remove the threat. For example, when you accidentally drop a rock on your foot, a message goes through your nerves and up to your brain to inform you of the event. Your brain interprets that message and determines that this threat is large enough to cause pain and that you should quickly remove your foot from the rock. It's important to note that pain is an output from the brain, not an input. This means that tissue damage alone may not be enough to cause pain. It also means that where you are and what you are doing, or the context, may have a big influence on the pain experience, such as if you are hiking in the mountains and having fun, or sitting in your car stuck in traffic. How can pain be classified? Pain can be classified as acute or chronic. Acute pain is a protective response as a result of a threat, like tissue damage. This is a normal response and it has a clear start and stop. In chronic pain, the tissue has healed and there is no longer a threat, but the pain persists. Why does pain persist? If the tissue has healed and there is no longer damage, why is pain still present? Though the amount of pain you experience may not necessarily relate to tissue damage, your nervous system may have heightened sensitivity. There are two mechanisms involved here. That is peripheral and central sensitization. In peripheral sensitization, there is a bottom-up mechanism, meaning from your skin, in your hands, in your feet, up to your brain. Sensory receptors in your skin are more sensitive to stimuli such as pressure, temperature, or chemicals which can result in the feeling of pain from normally non-painful stimuli such as combing your hair. In central sensitization, there is a top-down mechanism, meaning from your brain down to the tissues in your skin. The brain continues to perceive a threat and stays in a protective mode. This causes a sensation of pain to normally non-painful stimuli. Again, memories of the experience may play a role in this. Together, these two mechanisms can result in prolonged or chronic pain. The take-home message of this is that pain is the brain's normal response to a threat. Pain is an output from the brain due to an input from sensory information such as that from pressure, temperature, or chemicals. Tissue damage may not necessarily result in pain. And finally, chronic pain may be due to increased sensitivity of the nervous system. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps put pain into perspective for you.